Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install Flix Vision on Firestick using a step-by-step, easy method so you can enjoy free movies and TV shows on your device. Since this app is not available on the official Amazon App Store, we will use a reliable side-loading technique to get it running safely and quickly. The first step is to enable a hidden setting on your Fire Stick that allows you to install app from outside the Amazon ecosystem. You should navigate to the home screen, select the settings gear icon, and click on My Fire TV. If you do not see a developer option in the list, click on About and then highlight the name of your Fire Stick and press the select button on your remote 7 times. A message will appear at the bottom of the screen saying you are now a developer. Now you can go back one screen, enter the new developer options menu, and click on install unknown apps to ensure that the permission is turned on for the tool we are about to use. Next, you need to download a free app called Downloader from the Amazon App Store. Once you open Downloader, you will see a box where you can enter a URL or a shortcut code. You should type in the code 503073 and hit the go button. This will automatically redirect you to the official download page for Flix Vision. When the website loads, scroll down and select the button that says Download App. The file will begin downloading to your Fire Stick immediately, and once it is finished, a prompt will appear asking if you want to install the application. Simply click Install